What if you could cheat and learn words, phrases, and grammar 2 times faster? You'll learn how to do just that with our exclusive PDF cheat sheets. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. First, so what are cheat sheets? With our learning program, you learn the language with conversation-based lessons that you can just listen to or watch and get everything explained and start speaking those very same dialogues. And as a bonus, you also get PDF cheat sheets as supplementary material for the lessons. These cheat sheets cover must-know topics like weather, your hobbies, daily routine, and much more. There are over 30 cheat sheets inside, and you'll find them inside our program, so they're not available anywhere else. Inside each cheat sheet, you get the words, phrases, and sentence patterns related to the topic that you can quickly review whenever you have a minute or two. So that's how the cheat sheets work. Now, how can you learn faster with these cheat sheets? Just download a cheat sheet, print it, keep it nearby, and glance through as much as possible. Not for hours a day, but just a few minutes throughout the day. It's as simple as that. If you can follow these simple steps and do this daily, you'll actually learn faster. Faster than if you were to sit down and memorize for hours a day. You'll know all of the words and phrases in and out, simply because you've seen them enough times. Language learning is all about repeated exposure. The more you're exposed to the language, the better you'll remember it. And the cheat sheets give you that quick exposure to the words, phrases, and grammar patterns. You can always save the PDFs to your device, but having physical cheat sheets will speed up your progress. It's just easier to pick one up and glance through. Plus, you can write on them for extra practice. Otherwise, if you keep the PDFs on your device, chances are you'll barely use them and forget about them. How can you get access to our PDF cheat sheets? If you're a member, you already have access. If not, just click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get our learning program and these bonus cheat sheets. Once you've signed up and logged in, come back to the special PDF lessons page. The PDFs will now be available for instant download, and that's it. So, if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Watch.
ساعة.
Glasses.
نظارات.
Jacket.
سترة.
Receive.
استلم.
Search.
بحث.
Take.
أخذ.
Weak.
ضعيف.
Strong.
قوي.
Cold.
بارد.
Hot.
حار.
Funny.
خفيف الظل.
Peach.
الخوخ.
Orange.
برتقال.
Potato.
بطاطس.
Soybean.
فول الصويا.
Vegetable.
الخضروات.
Cow.
بقرة.
Pig.
خنزير.
Horse.
حصان.
Snow.
ثلج.
Shirt.
قميص.
Pants.
سروال.
Dress.
فستان.
Say.
قال.
Call.
اتصل.
Find.
وجد.
Clean.
نظيف.
Dirty.
متسخ.
Carrot.
جزر.
Onion.
بصل.
Lettuce.
الخس.
Sheep.
خروف.
Rabbit.
أرنب.
Seal.
فقمة.
Cloud.
سحابة.
Sunny.
مشمس.
Rainy.
ممطر.
Baby.
طفل.
Girl.
بنت
Boy.
ولد
Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First up, the 50 most common verbs worksheet. If you're still blanking on simple verbs like to go, to want, or to have, this worksheet is for you. You'll master the most used verbs with the exercises inside. Second, the summer season writing workbook. With this printable PDF, you'll learn all the must-know summer words and phrases, and you'll be able to practice writing them out as well. Download it for free right now. Third, the essential summer vocabulary list. If you can't say summer is hot in your target language, that's a problem. That's why this 1-minute lesson will teach you the must-know summer words. Fourth, want to speak like a native speaker, or at least come close? Of course you do. And this 1-minute lesson reveals all the high-level learning strategies that will get you speaking with confidence. And last but not least, most language apps teach you the slow way by just teaching you words. But this one teaches you faster through actual everyday conversations. With innovative language learning, you listen to real conversations between real native speakers and then get everything explained, so you can pick up the language fast. Download it for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below and download them now before they expire. Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.